Okay guys, so I got a whole lot of new makeup from Ulta, pretty much enough to do a full face. So I'm gonna be doing a full face of new makeup. Most of it is makeup that I haven't tried before, but I think a couple things are things that I've tried before. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. The first thing I'll be trying today is this brow pencil from Morphe. I've definitely tried this before, but I had it in the color Java. This one is in Mocha, and I got this color because I recently colored my real hair. This is a wig right now, but I recently colored my real hair like a copper color, so I wanted something that would match that instead of having like dark eyebrows. I just got a new one to match my real hair color that I will show you guys. If I haven't already showed you guys, I'll show you guys that. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quickly and then come back. Okay guys, so this is what my eyebrows are looking like after putting them on. I'm gonna go back and do the top once I do my foundation and stuff. It kind of looks like this hair here, but I just feel like it's gonna look better with my copper hair. Please don't mind my face. I just finished putting on some primer, but that's gonna be a whole separate video. So now we're gonna move on to the next thing that I got. I've been saying since forever that I need a new foundation. That's why I've been doing like my try before I buys and just trying to find a new foundation. I never tried this foundation out, but I've been seeing it on TikTok and on social media. And so this is kind of like a blind buy. I just got the same color that I always get. This is the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. And I got this in the same color that I always wear, which is 355. It doesn't say 355 coconut like the other ones, it's just 355, so hopefully it's the same color. Everybody has been saying they really like the foundation, the formula. It's a Lumi matte, so I'm combination skin. Hopefully it is matte and, you know, not like super drying. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's kind of on the warm side, but for the most part it matches, I guess. And I don't know if I just feel like I look a little ashy because of the primer. That could be it, but this is what we have so far. It's decent. I feel like it is matte. The coverage is medium to full. The consistency of it is just like regular foundation. I can definitely tell that it is matte though. So yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next product. So the next product is going to be this concealer from ColourPop. It is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the color Dark 170N. So I just wanted to get some new concealer to try a new concealer because I've been using the same one, the I think Revolution concealer, and I'm getting kind of low on those, so I just wanted to try a new one. Another product that I got was the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm gonna like let it set for a little bit, let it dry down a little bit, then spray this up here and then blend. I don't know if I want to blend with a brush or a beauty blender. I might do both, but yeah, I'm just gonna spray this up here as well. That's different. It's a very light mist, but it is definitely continuous, and I like that. I will be using the beauty blender first. This is kind of new too. I got this from Shop Miss A. It's super squishy. I've used it before, but I don't know if I like the super squishy one over my Sonia Cashew. I just like that one better. It's soft, but it's not too soft. Like this is like a pillow. Don't know if I like it too much. It's not enough control. But anyways, let's get the blending. So that is a pretty nice blend and a nice coverage. It definitely brought some moisture back because that primer and then this matte foundation, it just had my face feeling tight, but this is bringing me back to normal. So I do like the concealer. I feel like it was a nice color, like a couple shades lighter than my actual skin. I'm just gonna go in with my blush. This is not a new product, so I'm just gonna skip over this and then we're gonna go on to the next product. Okay, so the blush is on. We got a little bit of color brought back to my face. This product, I thought it was gonna be so cute. I tried it on the store and it's a little different from what I usually get because I haven't worn a highlighter in my makeup in years, but I thought this was so cute. I tried it on my hand. It was just so cute. I just had to get it. I got the ColourPop Liquid Highlight. I got the color Pink Pony. So we're going to see what this is about. I'm just going to put it on my cheeks and maybe my nose. Isn't this so cute? Look at the top. I haven't done highlight in so long, but I'm just going to put it, I guess, on the places where I did my blush. Oh, it's so cute. I don't even know if you guys can see how pretty it is. I may have to put some more up here, but like it goes on kind of light and then it blends out a little bit darker. So I'll put more. There we go. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. I feel like it's not doing it justice. It's too bright. I got the Morphe Totally Set. It's a pink and it's the translucent. I have used this before, but I haven't used these colors. I never had this one before, but I got this as a birthday gift from Ulta, so I'm gonna be trying this. I don't know which one I want to use first. I'll do the Morphe first. I'll just use the Brighten pink from this one and then the translucent from the Mercier. So that is what these look like. I guess it's giving pink. It's like a pink translucent. The other color that I had in this one was Brighten Peach. And I just wanted to try a pink one out. That's kind of trendy, so I wanted a pink, all pink one instead of peach. So it definitely brightened up my face. I'm just gonna spray because I'm getting kind of scared. It looks kind of like a little too bright. So I'm just gonna spray, see if that helps, and then I'm gonna go on with my other one. Okay, so I sprayed and it made it look a little bit better because I was looking a little casket sharp before. Let me just turn the, I feel like the light is too bright. Okay, I feel like that helped a little bit. I'm just gonna go in with my Mercier, and then I'm gonna use another one as well because I just feel like that pink kind of messed some things up. So I'll just put some more of this under my eye. I just want to see if it's worth the hype. I want a flawless filtered under eye with this powder, the way everybody talks about it. So while I let this sit, I'm just going to use my next powder. So I have used this before. It is a Black Opal loose powder, I guess, True Color. And I got this in the color medium. I'm just going to apply this on the bottom of my face. I feel like the other powder kind of washed me out down here. I'm going to actually spray my face one more time, put a little bit of eyeshadow on, and then come back for the last couple steps. Now I'm just going to get into my last product, and it is the Fenty Beauty mascara, the volumizing mascara. The color is Cause I'm Black. My favorite mascara is the Fenty Full Frontal mascara in Cause I'm Black, and then I like the MAC Stack. These are my two favorite mascaras. I've seen this one all over TikTok. It's always sold out, super hard to get. I'm gonna try this one on my lower lash line. That's where I like to use my Fenty and my MAC mascara the most. And this is what it looks like. So I did really like the mascara. It reminds me of the other one that I got, the Full Frontal. It snatches my under eye lashes just like I like it to be done. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'm just gonna do my lips and then come back with the finished look and my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Starting off with the brow pencil. I've already used it before, so I already know what it's about. I'm used to it. It's cool. The color, it works for the color that I have now, but I'll have to see how it works with my, you know, more reddish copper hair. Foundation, I feel like it is a match after, you know, putting on my concealer and powders and all that. So it works in that aspect. I feel like it is matte. Lumi matte, I don't know. I feel like it's just matte. And I only put primer like in the middle of my face, but it's still pretty matte on the outside. So it's matte. I'll have to see how it is like wearing it throughout the day when it's hot, all those things. It's getting cold outside, so I'll have to see how I feel about the foundation. But color wise, it's cool. Matte, yes. So I do like it. The concealer, I do like the concealer. I like the coverage. I like the color. I like that it was definitely hydrating. It brought some moisture back to my face after the primer and the foundation. I really did enjoy that setting spray. It was a continuous mist, and I do feel like that brought some life back to me as well without making it like super dewy. I don't know if this is matte or not. I don't think it's supposed to be like a matte setting spray, but I still feel like it didn't make me super dewy. Like this one here, this is the Revolution Superfix setting spray or holding spray. I feel like this is supposed to be matte. It says ultra matte finish, but I feel like it always makes me kind of dewy. So yeah, this one didn't do that. The super cute liquid highlight, I really like that. You probably can't see it anymore now that I put on my powders and stuff, but I really did enjoy that. I definitely will be using that in other looks. The powders that I used, I have used this one before, so this one was cool. It definitely brought back like some color around my mouth when I put on the Morphe. The Morphe was super bright, so if you want like a super bright under eye, definitely can use this. I did like the formula of the Laura Mercier, or Mercier, I don't know. The color, it was cool. It was just about neck and neck. I mean, they're both translucent colors. I probably would have to try something either more peach or a little bit darker to really enjoy it. And then the mascara, love my girl Fenty. Love the Fenty mascara, so I can either get this one or the full frontal one and I'll be okay with that. Yeah, I think my face looks pretty good. I don't have too many complaints with these products. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you guys think down below. Be sure to like this video, follow, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.